Hi friends, today we are try to calculate operating force which is acted on this part to open this part from here to here. You see, this is the actual part and we apply force here to open this part from horizontal line to full open. So you see what is the drawing saying. This is a rotating point or hinge point of this part, and this arm is parallel to the horizontal line, and from parallel to full open we calculate what is the force required to open this arm from parallel position to full open with respect to this hinge point. So we apply force on this arm like this with 90 degree and lifted off this arm from here, and a torque is given. The minimum torque range is given here. Minimum torque is 0.55 Newton meter and maximum torque is 4 Newton meter. So we need to calculate force required in this situation. Practically you use this push-pull gauge to calculate force practically, but here I am trying to calculate theoretically what is the maximum and minimum force required with respect to this maximum and minimum torque. So friend, this is a hinge point of arm, and this arm having from hinge point to this second hole point is distance is 260.1 mm. So distance is given, and also torque is given here, maximum and minimum. So we need to calculate maximum and minimum force required to lift off this arm. So this is a parts, and this position is parallel to this horizontal line, and we need to calculate applying force, and force is applied here center to the hole with 90 degree and open, full open like this. This is a full open of this part, and this part is stuck here, and this is a full open with 50 degree angles. So we need to calculate open force. So friend, this drawing is draw on this paper, and this is a hinge point, and the distance between from this hole center to this hinge point is 260.1 mm, and after converting in meter it will be comes out 0.2601 meter. Angle is also given 50 degree, and the force we apply on this arm to open this arm at 90 degree of this arm, and force is applied like this, and this arm firstly parallel to the horizontal line. So what is the force required in this? Friends, given point is here, torque range is given, minimum torque 0.55 Newton you see here, and maximum is 4 Newton meter. So we need to calculate maximum force and minimum force. So here you see friends, you know torque formula, torque equals to force multiply distance multiply sine theta. So if you want to calculate force, then force equals to torque divided by perpendicular length multiple sine theta, and here we apply 90 degree, so theta will comes out 90 degree. So minimum force equals to minimum torque divided by L sine theta, and minimum torque is 0.55 Newton meter. So 0.55 Newton meter divided by 0.2601 multiply sine 90 degree, and sine 90 degree value having 1, so it will be comes out 2.11. After calculation you got 2.11 Newton. The first minimum force is you got 2.11 Newton. And now the maximum force equals to maximum torque divided by perpendicular length into sin theta. So maximum torque equals to 4 divided by length equals to 0.2601 multiply sin 90 degree, and this value having 1, and after calculation you got 15.37 Newton. This is a maximum torque, sorry, this is a maximum force and this is a minimum force to required full open up this part.